Dealing with some breezes as you wake up and head out the door around Mesquite. Wind gusts around 25 miles per hour. Breezy in White Sands. As we travel up to Holloman Air Force Base, we're seeing winds around 40 miles per hour. A little further north around Sunspot, Cloudcroft, 31 miles per hour, and around Ruidoso, it has been a breezy to windy start to your Wednesday morning. You can see winds currently at this hour around 22 miles per hour, but peak wind gust at 45, close to 30 Cloudcroft, and we are dealing with westerly winds. So I do think east, northeast El Paso, it is breezy in those locations. Temperature-wise, we're about 10 degrees warmer than we were yesterday, El Paso. 71 currently, close to 60 in Las Cruces, 61 Ruidoso, 60s Guadalupe Pass, Sierra Blanca, and Van Horn. Not seeing as much cloud coverage this morning. We'll see more sunshine this afternoon. So as you head out the door around 7 o'clock, we're at 64, 9 o'clock 73, 82 around the 11 o'clock hour. I think the rest of the afternoon we'll have to deal with the wind. Starting out 8 o'clock this morning, we're already seeing those breezy conditions out there. By lunchtime, winds will increase around 35 miles per hour. El Paso, Las Cruces, 30 mile per hour range around the area mountains, and your commute home, we are still tracking westerly winds around 30 miles per hour. So I do think we'll see our peak wind gust around 35, possibly even 40, strongest along the eastern slopes of the area mountains. Can't rule the chance of maybe even seeing some dust kick up across town. So just use caution around some of the dust prone areas. I think we could see some blowing dust up until about 4 to 5 o'clock. It's very dry. It's going to be another hot afternoon. And with it being so dry, low relative humidity, a red flag warning will be in effect at noon until 8 o'clock. So basically what that means, the atmosphere is so dry, outdoor burning is just not recommended. Our current weather setup does show a cold front tracking just north of us. It's not impacting us at all. Again, we'll be dealing with some breezes. It's going to get a little colder if you're traveling maybe to California, Nevada. We're still going to be warm for the rest of the week. Now, an earlier model that I showed you during the start of our morning show did show that we could see some rain as we advance into Tuesday's forecast. With this latest update, doesn't show much rain at all for next Tuesday, but that's something I'm going to keep an eye on because I'm hoping that we could get some rain. Late Friday, I'm tracking the next cold front that will move into the area. That's going to bring us gusty winds to 50 miles per hour, so be prepared for that, and it looks like we're in store for a windy Saturday as well. We're going to be in the 90s through Friday, but this cold front is going to drop us to the 80s this weekend. We'll get a break from the gusty winds on Thursday, then more wind next week. Andres?